Elmwood Reclaimed Timber is a Midwest-based company specializing in the manufacture of fine wood products such as flooring, paneling, barnwood siding, beams, and more.
One of the things that we have here is really high-tech, high-speed, high-quality machinery that you normally see in a very large manufacturer. And what makes that unique for us is whether you're a small customer with just a 100 square foot order or a large 10,000 square foot, your product is going to run through that same high-tech equipment.
Elmwood Reclaimed Timber is the world's greatest because of our combination of skilled craftsmen, the finest wood inputs, and the world's best milling and finishing machinery. In addition, all of our wood is reclaimed or sustainably harvested, so you can feel great about the environmental impact that you're having by using these products.